Oh. Oh no! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, that was perfect! Alright, well, good morning internet. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Broken Enduro. We are out here on our group ride in Big Bear. We're doing a little training for the Big Bear ride that's coming up. Got a 2-day thing. So today we're doing the northeast section. Tomorrow is the southwest section. I think we've got 14 guys out here today. I think maybe we'll have 20 tomorrow, so there's a lot of guys. This is their first time on Gold Mountain. Should be pretty cool. Nice, Josh. Right through here. That was an interesting line. Oh no, they got a flat. Woo! Skid plate. Sorry, Jason. Alright, so that about wraps Gold. Working our way down the backside. Then out to Cactus Flats. Got everybody through in one piece. Moving along fairly well. Gold Mountain is beat up right now. We had a ton of Jeeps to work around too.
Right?
Interesting first 8 miles, huh?
Oh yeah. That was good. It was like a nice relaxing break coming down.
Yeah. But good old Mark came out from Vegas. Love this freaking guy. You're tougher than us! For there being this many guys out here, the dust is actually not too bad. Those roots were ugly. All right, dude. This is Brian out here. He's coming up for the ride, but he's doing his own ride. Just to come out and meet us and do his thing. This is a brand new bike for him. No, you're good. How you feeling?
Great, we came down, we're like, oh, it's gonna be fun coming up.
Awesome. A little more throttle and feather your clutch more.
Okay.
Are you going one finger on your clutch?
Yeah, trying.
Yeah. Keep going up.
There you go. If you keep going that way, your wheel will naturally fall into the crevice. Okay. You just got to be ready.
Yeah, just keep on it. There you go. Oh! Oh no! Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You just disappeared, dude.
I just slipped. I didn't know we were getting a magic show also. Yeah. Oh, thanks.
Yeah, buddy! safe. Oh, there's a lot of water in here right now.
It's funny, my GPS at 7 doesn't work at all. It just goes straight to 8.
Does it just go straight back to my house?
Weird.
Oh, mine does too. And into the dust. Alright, gonna do 38 special, and I'm gonna take part of the group back. So part of us are gonna go back to the house. The other guys are gonna try to finish up, 'cause I gotta meet the taco guy. Super loose and rocky. Yeah! It was awesome.
It did look pretty cool. I had a great view. I was like,
What's that? Over here.
like fucking riding every other way. Sorry, Devin.
It has been that kind of day.
Yeah, I think that's all I got.
I couldn't like do that again on purpose. Like all the suspension just loaded up perfectly and it just went out to space.
I still cannot wrap my head around the sheer dynamics of what you did. Like, I do not know how your bike ended up facing that way.
Dude, it went completely like over the bush. Like it was in the
I
air.
saw the whole thing. It made perfect sense.
It's the fresh top end.
Yeah,
It is the fresh top end.
power.
Alright, so I wasn't able to pull off 38 special. Instead I launched my bike off the cliff. Luckily we were able to get it out of there. Then we got Nick's out of there. So heading down now. Gonna jam back to the staging area. Pay the taco man. And eat tacos. Lick our wounds until tomorrow. So I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later!